Hey California, we want to tell you about a once-in-a-generation opportunity that could help save the lives of millions of animals and make some of the products that we use on our bodies safer at the same time.
Here's what you need to know. Just recently, Senator Kathleen Galgiani introduced the Cruelty-Free Cosmetics Act, a proposed law to ban the testing of shampoos, conditioners, makeup, skin and hair care products right here in the Golden State.
Every year, hundreds of thousands of animals are maimed and killed to test cosmetics or their ingredients. These barbaric experiments usually involve applying chemicals to the shaved skin or directly into the eyes of helpless animals who are unable to move or even blink.
And from a scientific standpoint, humans and animals often respond to chemicals very differently. And because animal reactions don't necessarily translate to human ones, many of these tests lead to inaccurate and unhelpful results.
Meanwhile, safer, scientifically superior alternatives, methods that produce more accurate results for human health, already exist.
Here's why this matters. As the state with the largest population and economy in the country, if California bans the sale of cosmetics tested on animals in order to comply with our standards, manufacturers will have no choice but to stop harming animals to sell cosmetics to the entire United States.
And if the United States goes cruelty-free, we'll be joining the European Union, India, Israel, and possibly even Canada and Australia in removing animals from cosmetics testing.
And with more and more countries now leading in this direction, many of the world's leading brands may have no practical choice but to make their entire global lineups cruelty-free.
But hold on a minute. Don't think any of this is going to happen without all of us demanding that our elected representatives here in California pass this law.
So that's where you come in. Take action right now by clicking the link below, and let's finally get California to go cruelty-free.
Hey, what are you still doing there? Go send that email right now.